say what's up, America. Half of you should know me, right? Other half a replica. Shout out to oh, shout out to that one dude. Oh wait, fuck that. Ain't nobody held my ass out on this dumb fruit. Seems like they finally.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
Nope.
Oh shit.
This is Sparta!
What the fuck?
You shall not pass!
First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th.
And his name is John C. Fuck you!
Hey, what happened?
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
LOL!
Surprise, motherfucker.